Good morning everybody. Today I'm gonna be presenting about Epic Split, one of the best marketing commercial of all times. So let's get started. First, campaign name is Epic Split. It was produced by Forsman Bodenfors, Swedish marketing agency. Its running time is only 75 seconds, but it has a lot of attention grabbing scenes inside in Epic Split commercial. Release date was 22 November 2013. Budget of this campaign was $3 to $5 million. Before going to more detailed information, I'm gonna be explaining to you what made the campaign different from other campaigns. Firstly, in the Epic Split, Jean-Claude Van Damme, famous actor, master of martial arts, played a role. At the beginning of the commercial video, Jean-Claude Van Damme stands straddling two giant trucks and says his wording like, "I have had my ups and downs, my fair share of bumpy roads and heavy winds. That's what made me what I am today. Now I stand here before you. What you see is a body crafted to perfection, a pair of legs engineered to defy the laws of physics, and a mindset to master the most epic of splits." He splits on these giant trucks, and the trucks runs backward. Can you imagine that? Like, it by doing this, the agency campaign was going to say the customers how these trucks were smooth, how this Volvo dynamic steering was awesome and precise running, precisely running. They managed to address their message to customers in this video because of Jean-Claude Van Damme and awesome work of other uh, director and other uh, participants of this commercial. Secondly, second reason of why the campaign was successful is that it it was taken as a live test. As you know, it is very difficult to stand on the trucks as they were running. It was very dangerous. For that reason, live tests difficult and dangerous job, but Jean-Claude Van Damme managed to play a role in this commercial, and the campaign was very successful because of that. Thirdly, remarkable artist Enya's song "Music Only Time" was used in this commercial as a background music. This is also one of the factors to successful uh, Epic Split. As for approach used uh, in this campaign, campaign wanted to not only reach truck buyers but also the people surrounding the truck buyers, which may influence the purchasing decisions. Talking about the goal of the campaign, firstly, they intend to build brand awareness among broad target groups. Because before this marketing commercial, uh, marketing department of Volvo company tried various methods to reach target groups, but all their attempts didn't work out. After Epic split, their target customers increased substantially, as the commercial was great and the idea was unique. They could grab lots of customers' attention. Second goal of the campaign was to make improvement in sales to core target groups. As you know, all campaign tries to increase sales for the company. As like other campaigns, Epic Split also put priority to increase sales in Volvo Corporation. So next is challenge. As the Epic Split was very great idea and perfect commercial, after this commercial, a lot of challenge videos got viral on social media. This one is Chuck Norris played a role, and the challenge video, we are not talking about Epic Split main commercial. Challenge video for Epic Split viewed on YouTube 20 million times. Can you imagine that? Even that video which this little girl played the role also became very famous. To be more precise, the campaign was viewed 25 million times within a week and 40 million times within 9 days. NES Music only time re-entered Billboard top 100 times, top 130 times. Here you can see on the table the progress on YouTube. So YouTube views now currently about 100 million and 8 million shares. As a result, the revenue of the Volvo company was substantially increased. Now it has gone up to $170 million because of this marketing commercial, Epic Split. As you know, as the Epic Split was a great idea, they started to got a lot of prize and award. First award was they got Best in Show award in One Club from the One Club, and Black Pencil award in 2014. They got 6 prizes including Grand Prix at the Eurobest Awards in Helsinki, Finland. In 2015 they got Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity for creative effectiveness. All in all, the campaign started to next level of marketing commercials. Jean-Claude Van Damme also did his best, and they achieved lots of success after this campaign. Volvo company, as I mentioned before, Volvo company's revenue got very high. In short, the Epic Split is one of the best campaigns of all times, for sure. For more information, you can go on YouTube and watch the video and enjoy.